focused. Morning everyone. Welcome to our little break in the Lake District. Right. This is what we woke up to this morning. And this is what we've come in. But we'll touch more on the van later today. We're just cooking breakfast. And today we're going to be going up Scafell Pike. Now Kitty's a bit scared. She don't think she can do it. But I've got full faith. Yeah, this is our getaway. A weekend break. Absolutely loving this thing. See, it's got a pop top. It's got an awning as well, but that's away at the minute. Yeah, we're just cooking breakfast and we'll catch up with you later. So that's breakfast done. The van's packed up, roof's down. We're going to make our way to Scafell Pike now. It's about an hour and a half drive. Park up and start the walk. We'll video the walk. Probably take some scenery shots on the way there because it's meant to be a beautiful drive. It takes about an hour and a half from where we're from where we are to get to where we're going. We're going to go the West Waterway, I can't remember the area, Wasdale or something. We're going to park in the car park and go up that way. But yeah, the van's good to go. Let's go and enjoy it. Catch up with you when we get there. And this is it, now you just drive up here.
Woo! Are you excited?
Can't wait.
Are you nervous?
No.
Why? Are you going to smash it? Of course you are. Can we go for a swim after?
Arrived at the car park at the bottom of Scafell Pike. It took us about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get here from the campsite. The van did awesome. We're going to make our way up there now. Probably make a few videos as we have a few breaks. I think you can really see it. Look, that is where we're heading, just up there. We're going to go out the top of this car park and we're going to make our way up there. You can, I don't know if you can work it on camera, but you can just kind of see the path just there. So yeah, just getting our boots on and our walking gear, packing our bag, leaving the fridge on, and then we're going to stop at Westwater at the side of the road on the way out, have a gin. Ready, Keto?
No. I'm well scared.
We're about a mile in. Stop for a bit of a break, some water. Can't argue with that view, can you? Absolutely beautiful. We just stopped at this point. One, because we've got a beautiful view. But if you look at the next section, you can see we go up this path here and we'll go up and round. This is next to the hard section. So we'll stop just before it. But you can see it's absolutely stunning. I've just had a break, some sweet for some energy, and a jam donut. Diet of champions. We're going to crack on, and we'll catch up with you soon and let you know how we're getting on.
Hi.
Hiya.
Hello.
Hiya.
Now I'm halfway up the mountain. Stunning.
So we've just done the steep bit. We're in the final climb to the top, which is just here. This is the final climb now. Up there, around. We're past the steep bit. Look at the views. Wastewater, that's the waterway droppers on the way in. That's where the van's parked. Just look at the views. Actually some sort of mountain bit. So I'm going to crack on. We'll join us at the top when we finally made it. And so some pictures and stuff that we took along the way. See you soon.
Right, we're nearly at the top now, and I am absolutely dead.
I need to come down quicker.
You saw. See 2 people at the top of the mountain. That's where we're going to be. Aren't we?
Three-quarters of the way up now. Shattered, in a word. But we're almost there at the summit. Just thought I'd share some more of these amazing views. Got left. Just go up there. Up here. Just to get up there. Next time you'll join us, we'll be at the top. Join us at the top. We made it. 2 hours, 58 minutes. Look at this. Hard work, but definitely.
So much harder than it looks.
On the descent.
My sticks.
Just got past the rocky bit behind us on our way down.
Absolutely stunning though.
Amazing views. That's it, we're down. Back at the car park. How you feeling?
Knackered. Tired. Hot. Achy.
It's very hot. One thing we forgot, sun cream, so we'll probably look sunburnt in this. That's us, we're down, done. Car park's just there. Van's in there somewhere. Scafell Pike, done.